Let me ask you a question. Are you running your real estate career as a business or as a job? Hi, I'm Terry Story with Keller Williams in East Boca Raton. I'm coming out to your office soon to be teaching the MREA Business Planning Clinic. So why should you attend? Well, let me tell you. When I joined Keller Williams after 29 years in the business, I attended a business planning clinic, and in a very short period of time, I doubled my business and it became more efficient. How did I do that? I learned the different models. What am I talking about? I'm talking about mindset, economic model, lead gen model, budget model, organizational model. These are the things that you're going to be able to dive in together, see where maybe you have some weaknesses, where you can enhance your businesses to make it more efficient, more profitable, and so that you can live a life by design. I can't wait to see you real soon.